How to make green plantain and vegetable. It's very nice. Hope you will try it. Ingredients for making green plantain and vegetable. Green plantain and onions. Fresh UGU leaf and ugba. Fresh pepper and spinach. Salt, Maggi and red oil. Wash the UGU leaf and cut and keep aside. Wash the spinach and cut and keep aside. Blend the pepper and little onions, also keep aside. Slice the remaining onions. Remove the ugba from the pack and also wash it and keep aside. Wash the green plantain and peel the back and cut it the shape you desire. Wash and add water, then bring to boil. When the plantain is done, remove it from water and set aside. Add oil into a pot. Allow the oil to be hot. Add salt, onions, pepper and Maggi. Turn and fry for 3 minutes. Don't allow it to get burnt. I am going to add the vegetable, but first, add UGU leaf because it is stronger than spinach. UGU leaf has been washed and cut. Cook the UGU leaf for some time before adding the spinach. It is time to add spinach. I use more spinach to sorting the UGU leaf. The spinach has water, but the plantain absorbed it. As soon as I added the spinach, I go ahead to reduce the heat. It will help the vegetable to be fresh. You can use green leaf or water leaf. You can combine UGU and green leaf. I added the Ugba last. You can use the quantity you want. Ugba does not need much cooking anymore. Adding more of Ugba the way. I love it. You can also add garden egg. Check if the salt and pepper are okay, or if you need to add a bit. You can add red oil as you wish, but I love oil to come out. I added the cooked plantain and mixed. Cover the pot to allow all the spice to enter into the cooked plantain. Also help the plantain to absorb the water from the vegetable. Can be served both morning or afternoon. The plantain and vegetable are ready to be served. Don't allow the vegetable to be overcooked. Always remember that God loves you. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.